Hey everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a heat map in Power BI. And generally when you create a heat map using the conditional formatting, that heat map is segregated on the row by row basis. So meaning that if we take example of the for the year 2007, the highest value in that column would get a certain formatting, then there will be a middle formatting for the middlemost value, and then there will be a formatting for the lowest most value. But what we want to do is span that formatting across the columns. So if I take example of Contoso, what I want to do is give the highest value in that row the green formatting, the middlemost value the yellow formatting, and the lowest most value the red formatting. So for the Contoso, the year 2007 has the highest sale, 2009 has the lowest sale. So 2007 should get the green color and 2009 should get the red color, and the 2008 will get the yellow color because it is the middlemost value. And doing that from the Power BI's UI is not possible at the moment, so we will have to create a measure, and let's see how we can do that. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand the issue that we are facing using the Power BI's UI. So if I select the matrix and go to the format tab, and then if I go to conditional formatting and turn on the background color, and then let's click on advanced control, and if I select the red color for the lowest value and then enable the diverging, so yellow is already selected for the middlemost value, and for the highest value let's select green, and if I click on OK, you can see that every value in Contoso row has been given the color green. So the reason is that the Contoso is the highest selling brand of this data model, and if I sort this data by the sales amount, and it is already sorted by the sales amount, so you can see that Tailspin Toys gets the lowest value for across all the years. But what I want to do is, if in case I'm at Tailspin Toys, I want 153,245 to get the green color, then I want the 97,000 to get the yellow color, and the 74,000 should get the red color. So let's see how we can do that. So I will create a copy of this matrix. So let's copy and paste it here, and I will turn off or I can just simply remove the total sales measure from here. So the idea that I have come up with is to create a ranking based on the year. So let's create a new measure, and I'm going to name it as CF ranking. So CF ranking, shorthand for conditional format ranking, and that would be basically a RANKX over all dates calendar year number, and only because we have calendar year on the columns. So in the row context, I'm going to call my total sales measure, so total sales, and then I can skip the value field, and the order I want ascending. So let's confirm this measure and drag it into the matrix, and you can see that the ranking is not what we actually want. So in this data model we have some years in the dates table for which there is no transaction. So let's see how we can filter out those years. So we can use a filter all dates calendar year number, and in the row context I can initiate the total. I can call the total sales measure, so that it can check that if there is at least a sale in that given year, we want to keep that year, otherwise we want to filter that out. So I can check against 0, and then I can close my filter, and let's see what it returns. So now you can see that for 2007, 8 and 9 we get the ranking which is 321, 321, 132. So, and we also are getting a ranking for 2005, 6, 10 and 11. So let's see how we can eliminate that, and then we can move on to conditional formatting part. So to get rid of the values from the years for which we do not have any sales, what we can write is if not is empty sales. It is up to you if you want to check for is empty, or you can write total sales measure, but having is empty is generally more optimized way of writing a code. So let's confirm the measure, and you can see that now we remain with only 3 years, which are 2007, 8 and 9, and for which we have some ranking. Now what all we need to do is use that ranking to apply the conditional formatting, and what we can do is go to the format tab, go to the conditional formatting, let's turn on the background colors, and for a moment let's remove the ranking from the matrix and bring back our total sales measure, and go back to the conditional formatting, turn on the background colors, and in the advanced controls all I would need to do is give that conditional formatting based on the rank, and that measure is our CF ranking. So for the lowest value I want the red color, then I can select the diverging color for the middlemost value, and for the highest value I want the green color. And if I click on OK, you can see that, let me just sort this measure first, sorry, the matrix by the total sales. So we have Contoso on the top row, so you can see that the highest value in Contoso is now given the green color, the middlemost gets the yellow color, and the lowest value gets red color. And similarly for other rows as well, we are getting the exact thing that we actually wanted to do. So that was all for this video, and before ending this video, let me just show you how you can make this matrix a little bit more more visually appealing. So if you are used to using Tableau, you can create a conditional formatting like this one, and what all you need to do is go to the conditional formatting tab and click on advanced control. I have some colors listed here, and I have used the year rank to give the conditional formatting to my matrix, and just click on OK, and you can use any color that you want to make it look a little bit visually appealing. So that was all for this video, and if you have any questions for me, just let me know in the comment section, and I will see you the next time. Until then, have a great day.